Here's a Talk Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how you can transfer files such as videos, music, pictures onto your Google Smart TV directly from your mobile phone, as simple as well as to help you view your favorite videos, music, and pictures on your Smart TV and enjoy it seamlessly. Okay, so without wasting my time, let me quickly take you through the process to know how you can transfer your files onto your Google TV or your Smart TV, as simple as that. Alright, so you will need this particular application on both your Android or Google TV and that of the Android phone or Apple phone that you want to send files from it onto the particular Smart TV that you have. Okay, so here on my Android phone, you can see here, you make sure you go to Google Play Store, then you download this particular app called Send Files to TV. Send Files to TV, as you can see here, then you download it. Okay, then the same way you go to your Google or your Smart TV Play Store. Okay, so you go to Play Store, that's add apps here, then you search for Send Files to TV. You search for Send Files to TV here. Okay, so you search for Send Files to TV. So you see, you see a lot of applications. Okay, that's Send Files to TV, but the particular one that we are interested in is this one, the first one, that is the Send Files to TV, this particular one. Okay, the first one here, you make sure you click on it to install this particular app. So you see, I have already installed this particular app. All I have to do is go ahead to click on the open here to open this particular application on my Smart TV. Okay, then after downloading on your Android phone or your Apple phone, you make sure you open it, as you can see here too. So you see on the Play Store or Apple Store, this is how the application looks like. Okay, so you download the same thing here. So here is the case that you are going to do the best settings. Okay, so you want to send files from your smartphone to your Smart TV. Okay, so this is the simple setting that you are going to do. Okay, you need to make sure that the TV is what you want to use to receive the file, so you select it to receive files here. Okay, and the mobile phone is what you want to use to transfer the files, being photo, videos, music, onto your Smart TV. So that one, you click on the send here. Okay, you select the send here, but before you'll be able to send files from your smartphone to that of your Smart TV, you need to make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Okay, that is, you can see the phone that I'm using to shoot, it is the Wi-Fi on this particular phone, and that of the TV is connected to the hotspot of the phone that I'm using to shoot this particular video. Okay, so you need to make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi. That is where you are going to get the signal so as to transfer the files from your mobile phone to that of your Smart TV. Okay, so here you select the particular file that you want to send to your TV. Okay, so here I have a list of files here. Okay, so let me go to Zen. I have video there. I go to folder, I go to blacklist here. So I have blacklist here. Okay, then let me send this particular blacklist. You can send multiple files. Okay, all that you have to do is to click on hold to select multiple files. Okay, so here I want to send just one, so from there I go ahead to click on the check mark here. So you see the Smart TV here will just come here. Okay, because it is connected to the same Wi-Fi to the smartphone here. Okay, so I click on this one here, then I click on receive here. So you see, after clicking on receive on the TV, it will capture the connection and to start downloading from my mobile phone to that of the Smart TV, as simple as that. So basically, there's a step-by-step guide on how you can transfer any file from your Android phone to that of your Smart TV, as simple as that. And after downloading it, you can just go ahead to play the video or stream the song or the picture that you want to view, that you transfer from your smartphone to your Smart TV, as simple as that. So you can see, after sending the files from my smartphone to my Smart TV, here are the files that you can view. Okay, so here, if I want to play this particular video, I just go ahead to click on this one, then click on open. Okay, then you see the video will be showing as simple as that from this particular settings. The basic thing that you need to take note is that before you be able to transfer file from your smartphone to that of your smart TV, you need to make sure that they are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Both the TV and the smartphone are connected to the same Wi-Fi, which is to initiate the connection so as to help you transfer your files onto your smart TV, as simple as that. As usual, here's a talk tech, and if you like watching content like this, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn notification bell so that anytime I drop new video concerning content like this, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this particular video. Now we are signing out.